Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, well, and welcome to the new update on RVN. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that RVN is moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, I would like to show you this move once again. And now it has formed another smaller falling wedge pattern within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And now it is getting squeezed. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my last successful trade signal for RVN that I shared on 22nd of January 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that RVN formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart, and you can see it was completing the final leg of this Gartley. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down and completed the leg here. And then we had a very, very nice reversal, and the price line rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of RVN, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after Feb 2021, the price line was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern, and after getting bounced from the support and getting rejected by the resistance, you can see it was getting squeezed, and now it is quite squeezed inside this wedge and formed another falling wedge pattern that is smaller than the previous one, and getting more and more squeezed inside this smaller falling wedge pattern. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, then this smaller falling wedge pattern is more visible, and you can see that we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here. We had a long spike, but the price then did not break down the support, and we had a rejection here, and several rejections you can see for the past several days. The price and it's getting rejected again and again by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. But unfortunately, we have broken down this quite long-term support of 1.8 cents while moving inside this smaller falling wedge pattern. If we switch back to the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that this 1.8 cents level has been breaking previously as a very nice support here. You can see we dropped down here. We had a very nice pump, and we dropped down here in the month of June 2022. Then we had a very, very powerful pump. And before that, here it was breaking as a resistance. And for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support here as well. And now, if the price then breaks out this smaller falling wedge pattern, then still it will need to break out this resistance of 1.8 cents and then this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And by the way, the fan target for this smaller falling wedge pattern after the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be approximately at 3.7 cents. And the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.